Hey LG TV owners, frustrated with that dark screen issue where one half of your TV looks way dimmer than the other? Trust me, you're not alone, and I know how annoying that can be. The good news, you can often fix it yourself, or at least figure out what's wrong without needing a repair tech. Let's get started with the easiest fix, a power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, and leave it unplugged for at least 30 minutes. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 15 seconds. That clears out any lingering glitches. Plug it back in and see if your screen's back to normal. You'd be surprised how often this works. Still have the issue? Next, check your HDMI cables. Unplug every HDMI device, then see if the TV's main menu is still half dark. If the menu's fine, it's probably just a bad cable or port. Swap them out and test again. If the menu's still dim, it's an internal issue. Now, plug the TV directly into a wall outlet. No surge protectors or smart plugs. Unstable power can cause all sorts of weird screen issues, especially on big TVs. While you're at it, check for software updates. Head to Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Glitches in the software can sometimes throw off the display. If it's still looking weird, tweak your picture settings. Turn off energy saving mode, bump up brightness and contrast, and see if that helps. Sometimes it's just enough to make it livable. If all else fails, consider a factory reset. Just remember, this erases your settings, so only do it after trying everything else. If one half is still dark or black, it's likely a hardware issue, like failed backlights or the T-Con board. At that point, you'll need to decide if a DIY repair is worth it, or if it's time to call in the pros. Try these steps, don't skip ahead, and you'll know exactly where you stand by the end. Good luck.